Coming back on him.
No, I've lost viz on you.
036.
You're heading towards Eindhoven.
I got fucking all kinds of hits at him. How's he still? Nice. How's he still up? I got hits on him. Yep, Ivanhoe. He's smoking.
On the deck, diving in.
Nope. 6 grand. He bailed. He bailed. He bailed. All right. I'm at Ivanhoe. I see you climbing up.
No, I'm engaged. There's another one here.
Yep, I see him.
There's 2 here.
I'm looking. I see the one at the bottom who's on the top.
I need to run.
And the one on the. I'll get the one on the deck.
Okay, if you're on the one on the deck, I'll come back.
About to go guns hot. I got hits on him.
Nice.
He's down. He's down.
Oh, nice. Somebody's on that guy at Falconsport. I'm out of that. I got bombs to get rid of.
My guy's dead.
Pilots Steele Group 1915. They're covering you to top of the attack.
Let's get out of here, eh?
I'm out of ammo. My guy's down. No, he's not. He's over by the canal. You got any bullets?
Yep.
Come over by the. Come over. He's climbing up. I'm out of bullets.
By Vulcansword, yeah, I see that.
Yeah. He's trying to get behind me. I'm trying to keep him over there. I don't know how he's still flying. He's got holes in him.
Okay, I'm clear and I'm coming. Are you offensive?
He's about to shoot at me. Yeah, I'm defensive. He's about to shoot at me. I'm diving.
You dispatch those guys at Eindhoven.
What's that dude still flying?
Hey, Fern, we got 3 down.
On the left-hand
Engaged
turn.
with the 4th one.
Very good.
He's running down the canal. White smoker.
We're in a fight down towards Vulcan now. I'm here.
Yeah, I saw somebody.
You see him?
Yeah.
He's in the left hand.
That was shooting out our AAA.
Get him.
That hurt.
He's still flying. He's still flying. He's coming on me. Check your 6. Check your 6. Check your break. He's going through. Go back up. Go back up.
I'm going south. We need to get out of here, man.
And both of them are coming at us.
This is GN calling.
I'll try to spook this other guy.
Left-hand heading to form up radio command on channel 1 wing ready.
He knows I ain't got no ammo. I can bump him. Let me bump.
That's right, I've got a shot now.
All pilots.
He's in.
Okay, good. Let's get out of here. $87.
Is that you diving down?
Yeah, behind you.
Roger.
Clearing this. Just past me. Past me the crash.
Good work,
Look
Steve.
at. Nothing makes them nervous when they see a spit coming at them.
Yeah. Turbo Kiwi, we're RTB.
One of the things, if you got a German coming on you, supposedly you're supposed to turn right. As soon as they get enough, as soon as the wind over the wing stop, and they rotate over 90 degrees. But I always thought it was left, but somebody says it's right.
Tower to all pilots landing and departing to the southwest, caution. Short field operations.
Tell me you recorded that. That was good.
Oh, I'll take it. I can.